Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother MFC-J6960DW printer step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or after a reset, don't worry. Just follow this video till the end and your printer will be ready to print, scan, copy, and fax. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully unbox the printer. Inside the box, you will find printer, power cord, ink cartridges, quick setup guide. Now remove all protective tapes and keep the box and packing material safe in case you need to transport the printer later. Step 2. Next, let's load paper. Pull out the paper tray, adjust the paper guides, load plain letter size paper. Make sure not to exceed the maximum paper mark. Push the tray back into the printer. This ensures smooth printing without paper jams. Step 3. This step is only for users who want to use the fax function. Lift the scanner cover, insert the telephone line cord into the port marked line. Guide the cable out from the back. Close the scanner cover. If you don't use fax, you can skip this step. Step 4. Now, connect the power cable to the printer and plug it into the wall socket. The printer will power on automatically. If prompted, select your language or country on the LCD screen. You can also adjust the control panel angle for better viewing. Step 5. On the printer screen, you'll be asked to choose a setup method. You have two options. Option A, recommended, set up using mobile app or computer software. Option B, set up directly from the printer control panel. For most users, Option A is recommended because it's faster and easier. Step 6. Now it's time to install ink. Open the ink cartridge cover, take the black ink cartridge, shake it horizontally 15 times, insert it into the correct slot. Install the remaining color cartridges. Close the ink cartridge cover. The printer will start initial ink system cleaning. This process may take a few minutes. This is normal and happens only once. Step 7. When prompted on the LCD screen, set the date, set the time. This is important for faxing and print locks. Step 8. Next, the printer will ask to connect to the internet. Follow the on-screen instructions, press yes when asked to connect. This allows wireless printing, firmware updates, and mobile printing features. Step 9. After ink cleaning finishes, press Start. The printer prints a print quality check sheet. Compare the colors printed with the images shown on the screen. If needed, follow on-screen steps to clean again. This ensures sharp and clear prints. Step 10. For best print accuracy, press Start to print the adjustment sheet. Place the sheet face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle is in the correct corner. Follow the LCD instructions. Once complete, remove the sheet. Step 11. Follow the final on-screen instructions and confirm that setup is complete. No error messages are displayed. Step 12. Now install printer software. Open a browser on your computer or mobile. Visit setup.brother.com. Download and install the software. Make sure your device and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, you're ready to print and scan wirelessly. If Wi-Fi doesn't connect automatically, on the printer, select Find Wi-Fi Network. Choose your Wi-Fi name, enter the Wi-Fi password. When connected, the screen will show Connected. Congratulations! Your Brother MFC-J6960DW printer is now fully set up and ready to use. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you face any issues during setup, installation, Wi-Fi connection, or printing problems, don't worry. Contact our support team for instant help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.